Hello everyone, hello. It's your one and only Lady Jill. If you have not subscribed, please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell so that if I put more video, you will be the first person to know. And if you have subscribed here before, thank you. God bless you, my people. Another gist don't come out again, no, my people, because one of our lady today now about two topic now I go talk about Kevin, then I go talk about this our lady, but I'll first start with this our lady. You just need like small advice, because the thing like when she even they tell me the thing they surprise me because some men I don't really know what to be their problem. What did they make that they cheat or their wife? I don't really know because she said she's in my video when I talk about, and she say make it still call me, man, still talk about her own, but that is this one the thing they surprise me because like what did they make some men really they cheat or their wife? I don't know what to be their problem really because some people the thing they surprise me. So this our lady, so she say you don't know what they make a husband they cheat on her. She no really know what to be the man problem. You understand? Because this man, if now jogodo or na apple na you want, he say you ready to give him, but you don't know what to make a husband. The one what they surprise and be see the man self not they even they take for bed. The jogodo tea. That is before he say if not because of that one, say maybe supposing not because that one I say me looking for not even married the man. No, you understand, but in the surprise, what they make a husband, they see they go outside for the condition when they even still they when they be say before they even say 1, 2, 3, ja. He don't throw away the supply water since. You say so, but in go they surprise what they make this man they go outside. They don't really know. She don't see who will give her this advice. What they make her because this man also, he say no sabi jogodo. Even the walking stick self, you don't even day like that, But you don't know what they make this man they go outside. He said they say they tire him. He said they go outside. They go different women. They say go the shame. That is it. She go the shame because he don't know what I make him leave this man. Because he don't. I don't understand though. What do you can't use that kind of man they do? We be say every the evil, they see him. And the funny part be say he himself not even a cheater. He himself not even too correct finish for us. You see they wrong go outside. What do you they look for this man? What do you they look for? What do they really make men they cheat on their wife? Me don't really know. Because the thing they surprise me. Not be even say the cassava where they even they carry. And never see today okay. And your woman even say for bed safe now the highest now you be. They even say they even they take. Okay, what you call they make you now? They go outside. Okay, you they take for all those guests body. Now those kind of men now go carry tramadol they drink. Me they satisfy woman. All those kind of men now go they do one. But they don't go do it for their wife. They prefer to do it for all those guests for outside. Now those kind of men now they do one. The thing they surprise the wife say you don't know what they make and they go outside. You don't know what they make and they cheat on her. He says so I beg. Mona help her. Whether another thing dey wey dey make this man go outside doing no know. If na neatness o, na number one na she be. Everything e complete. Isn't na she sef people suppose dey go outside because this man no dey satisfy her. She sef no able to dey the man sef no dey even satisfy her. You know, even dey make her dey feel like woman, nothing, you know. But he no know wetin dey make this man no dey stay house. Him go, that is the thing don reach her ear. E be like say the way she dey even dey talk sef, the marriage don even tire am sef. Na to come even go, na e come dey her mind now. Eh? This man now, he no wan change. Eh? You see, so the thing don't tire her, but that makes she just go because that's it. I know you cannot advise somebody to make you come up for your husband's house. You know, if you advise them, you understand. Eh? So now that one because now tell her say, my dear, I don't go feel advise you. Say come out or not come out, but I will talk the topic. Maybe people see contribute. I beg Mona leave on a comment so that she go see, she go read all the comments. If you have voice record, you want to send, you send that beg. I will send her or go give her. Now just advice now she need. For me, me not need the person make you advise me for this kind of thing because the funny part I don't even see him. So what am I going to suffer myself for my people? So you cannot advise somebody say come for your husband, not come out, but she need advice. She need to advice. Wanna see advice her as soon as reach all those men. So wait, be say now una not dey even take for bed. Una not sabi jogodo. Now una go see the wrong go outside. Now go dey carry women, go dey carry tramadol dey drink. Now people like all those kind of men I did one. People like all those kind of men I did one. His wife now that one say even 2 weeks if you not go able to touch himself. You no go touch am, but you go the carry guests for outside. Side chick. Wetin side chick go do una? Wetin he go do una? All those men. Wetin side chick? Wetin he go do una? I don't fit tell una that they say if you be man wey be say you know the before they count 1, 2, 3, you don't throw away the supply water. If you be that kind of man, go dey drink ginger and lime. So that make you think they kill all those sugar because it's too much for your body. Maybe now they cause them. You understand? Maybe you think they kill them. Eh? So that means they feel satisfy your woman. You must not drink medicine. I see they look social media that I see say one woman see they describe about medicine for una. He said, but I got the drink am. He said that he brought that break and come, be just good, all those things. But I got the drink am. So that man not the drink tramadol again. Then they want to try, but they give you like different things more that they drink because as a tramadol don't turn to una medicine now. So the people they look for different things with the one they give una now more than they take. Eh? The thing just tired before now. This medicine way comes so. Eh? This tramadol. He don't see that man now we carry woman go hotel now. He don't remember that one now. Eh? He don't remember him. That one now don't go. They don't forget him. When they see now, my people, wanna be careful. Now when they take all those medicine, wanna be careful. So now so I talk this one reach. So make I enter our Kevin, the star, Kevin, the big boy, Kevin. I don't want to enter your own now. I say Kevin, don't go do test. Because your own topic not today like that. You don't go do test now. Hey, everybody don't see and I say, Kevin, they okay, oh. Kevin don't get sickness, oh. This, that, oh. And the woman first talk, I'm saying, she don't give person the sickness. Hey. So we don't already see her now. Kevin don't go do test. Kevin don't get all those medicine, all those sickness, oh. Kevin, they okay, oh. Hey. Even the results, it don't show everybody. Everybody don't see her. Kevin, be careful. God don't save you for this one now. Be careful, Kevin, eh? Just stay careful now. Because God now will save you now for this one now. Never know what God do for you. If you know, I'm sure say you go even want to do another one again. Go the friend girl. Go carry a girl, maybe they date. All those man, woman, one they go they carry so. Eh? Me no understand do now. Go they carry girl like girl. Because thank God now say na God na save you now say you no carry ugi agbe. you not be this one way for the appear you for there now. Sickness for not finish. You let the think when you go to think alone say that sickness in your body. Nah, that thickness self if it even kill you. Yeah. So na be the thing. When I stop to take all those things, so so my people, this video you know go too long. That's why I just want to talk this video reach today because you know say anyway how to tell this, how to tell they make that parable we don't say who get make yeramo mona yeramo because they what you call the apple for this world now we not can understand the gay. So if we get advice for that our brother, for this our sister, mona advise her for what to do, because the husband they need to really advise that man wetin they make that man they cheat on the wife all the time. You know they stay house, no respect. You could just they get house. If the woman go even they call am, you know go pick a call. The woman say the woman say anytime when they go say one comot, say this man go they beg am. This man go they beg am. This man no one let her comot. This man no one let her comot. But outside they don't go let am for rest. So whether they this now even deliverance, so me I don't know. So if now deliverance, maybe they go carry and go different churches, maybe they deliver her, because some men it pass Joromi. It pass Joromi, my people. Some men they go samba. You know they say it's not to go pass Joromi, go they go samba. That's some men won't be. So my people, that's why I talk this video reach today. So thank you everybody and take care till I come your way next time. I remember your one and only Lady J. Bye.